Hey guys, welcome back to Kryptonite, because I believe that cryptocurrency is the kryptonite of our modern financial system, and I love it. Guys, I'm going to show you what's going on in the charts. My live Bitcoin trade, I actually added to my short position. Yes, I added more capital into my short position because I felt that strongly about it. I'm going to go right into the charts and show you exactly why I did it, what price targets I'm expecting in the short term and in the long term, and then I'll be showing you some Bitcoin news in the end. So make sure to stay tuned for this whole video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content and you want trade signals, and you want me to show you exactly, for better or for worse, the trades I make and how they turn out. So let's jump right into the charts and I'll show you what's going on. All right, so taking a look at the charts here, you can see my trade on the right and how well it's doing. In fact, we are almost going to complete this trade. We just need to hit about $41,000. Now, Tim, you're probably asking, why did you increase your short position? Well, if we look here on the 4-hourly chart and we see this yellow line, this is the 200-day moving average. Now, we dropped below it, and then we actually got rejected already one time by the 200. On top of that, look at this. Lots of red volume, no green volume anywhere in sight, signaling any sort of trend change. That's not what we like to see. Also on the MACD, which is not shown here. If we look on the MACD on the 4-hourly time frame, we are still currently going down. Nothing there would point to any sort of trend reversal. If we go to the daily chart, which I'm going to do that right now, again, you'll notice, look at this MACD. Again, no sign of any sort of reversal anytime soon. Normally, if you're going to take a long position, you would want to confirm it with a MACD where it's crossing the exact opposite direction, something like right here. But look, we are nowhere even close to that. So I have no confidence that I'm going to be taking a long anytime soon. As you can see, we had this bear flag formation, which I talked about. I predicted not only will we break down from this other triangle here, but we'd also break down from this one. And that's exactly what happened. And look, my trade target, we are almost completing this trade. We're getting a little bit of support from the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, but I don't necessarily expect that to hold. I do expect my trade to complete and us to hit 4,100, even maybe testing the bottom of our ascending channel. Again, if we look at the long term, you can see this nice ascending channel we're in. So it's just, the context is, hey, we're going to come back down and we're going to hit this ascending channel. We're probably going to get supported around 40K, which is a big level, big psychological level, and we're going to continue on the upswing. But for now, I wanted to make a little bit of money, so I took this nice short position. I even added, yes, I added more capital into the short position because I felt so strongly about it finishing out. Normally, you don't want to do that very often unless you are super, super confident, because the trade was already down here, and I added more position around here. And if you took that trade just by itself, that, risk to reward isn't great. But I just felt so strongly that I decided to add more into my position right about here. So as you can see, look, we got rejected by the 200-day once, came up, got rejected once again, a nice little fake out there to the downside, making a nice little double top, and we were continuing downward. Now again, guys, I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. I think that we are in an uptrend. I think we have been in an uptrend for a very long time. If we jump back to the weekly chart here, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at this massive uptrend we are still in. We have a low and a higher low. We have a high and a higher high. We are still on the longer time frames in a very bullish period in the market, and I do see so many adoption stories coming out on the daily. Again, most of my portfolio is just hodling. I'm hodling cryptos I like. I'm hodling Bitcoin. I'm hodling Ethereum. I'm waiting for this bull cycle to complete before I'm thinking about selling anything. So I recommend that you do the same. All right, let's jump into some Bitcoin news, and I'll show you what's going on. All right, guys, if you want Twitter updates, if you want live trade updates, check me out, Next Level Health and Crypto right here. Let's take a look at some here. Look, I totally agree with Lark Davis here. The fundamentals for crypto have never been better. We're just waiting for the price to eventually go back up. Here's another beautiful one from CZ Binance. So people saying, Bitcoin, it's not like real gold. Why does it have value? Well, if something is used by people, it has value. We have a lot of non-physical tools, Google, Facebook, right? These are non-physical items that people use, and they have value. So even if it's not physical, it has utility value, so therefore it has value. Another thing, Terra Luna, which I invested in. I invested in Terra when it was at $36. It is now in the hundreds of dollars. I've made a good money on Terra. They have bought another $176 million worth of Bitcoin just this morning. They are planning up to $10 billion worth of Bitcoin buying. They want to be one of the biggest Bitcoin holders in all of crypto, and they're backing the UST stablecoin. Guys, Ethereum processed 4.5 times more transactions than Visa in 2021. Are you kidding me? Ethereum is getting massive use, guys. Ethereum is about to freaking balloon. There's some stuff happening on that network. I'm telling you right now, invest in Ethereum, continue to dollar cost average. They are going to moon here very soon. There is so much bullish news going on for Ethereum, and those are just a couple of the new news items of the day. So guys, there it is. You know my take. Buy low, sell high. The greed is high, the fear is high right now. That's when you need to buy. Do not be scared. Do not give in to your typical psychology that would tell you to sell when other people are selling. That's when you buy. You buy during bear markets. You buy when the fear is high, and you sell the greed. And this is a mindset that you have to shift if you're going to be able to make it in investing and make it in trading. So keep that in mind, guys. As always, make sure to save your money, grow your money. Kryptonite.